After a long day of teaching, my skin is usually oily, tired, and honestly, just dull. And in honor of Teacher Appreciation Week and Mother's Day, I decided to treat myself with a little at-home DIY facial. I'm giving my skin a little reset that helps control oil, clear my pores, and give me my glow back. So I've noticed that recently my skin has been extra oily. So I think I need to do a reset. And that's why we're doing this facial. And it's Mother's Day weekend. I'm treating myself. Waited too late to make an appointment. So we're gonna DIY it. I'm a DIY girl. I'm gonna figure it out. This is a simple, realistic facial routine that you can do at home, and all of the products I already had. I didn't have to go out and buy anything new. But this is especially for my girls, my people who have oily skin like me. And don't be upset at your oily skin. I love oily skin. That means my skin is hydrated. I just have to be mindful about taking care of it. And I won't have to worry about wrinkles when I get older because my skin is staying hydrated. It's not folding and creasing. But this is nothing complicated, just intentional steps that actually work. Okay, so step 1 is cleanse. Step 2 is cleanse. Step 3 is cleanse. Step 4 is cleanse. We are cleansing today, especially because this is a DIY facial. I'm going a little beyond my normal routine. So I'm starting by removing my makeup, and I recently got back into micellar water. So I use these reusable pads, my step to saving the environment. Since I am a teacher, and according to one of my students, I'm killing a lot of trees by printing as much as I do. But this is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is the all-in-one. And this removes, I mainly use this for makeup removal, but also all the dirt, oil, and makeup that has been on my face throughout the day. And then the SPF, all that stuff has to come off. And even though I don't wear a lot of makeup during the week, I do my best to take it all off at night. And it does wonders to get mascara off. All right, so now that the makeup is off, we're going to start the cleansing process. And so like I said, we are going to quadruple cleanse tonight. So we started with the micellar water. Now I'm going in with my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil. This deep cleans, brightens, removes makeup and impurities. Because of course, nothing is perfect. The micellar water may not get everything off. And because we are doing a facial and we're trying to relax and I'm trying to reset my skin, I'm going above and beyond. So 2 pumps of this. Oh, 1 pump was enough. And then I just work this into the skin, making sure that I get my hairline too. And don't forget about your neck, people. Just making sure I got all the mascara off. And I know you're probably thinking, you have oily skin, you're using oil. The oils that I'm using are breaking down the sebum that is naturally produced by my skin. So we're not just gonna rinse this off. I'm gonna get some water and I'm gonna emulsify this on my face. All right, for my cleanser, CeraVe. This has been tried and true. This one's for normal to oily skin. A good one for oily skin is a gel or foaming cleanser. This one is a foaming facial cleanser. It's non-drying, non-comedogenic. So I'm gonna always go in with a gentle foaming cleanser that removes oil, makeup, dirt, any buildup. And a little pro tip is to wash your face for 60 seconds. So if you don't want to count the 60, you can sing the theme song to The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Okay. And rub it in your hands for 10 seconds before to activate it. All right, next I'm going to steam my face for a few minutes. This is optional. This helps to open up your pores and preps the skin for the rest of the facial so that you can receive all those good benefits from the products that you're about to use. So I just have a bowl here. I only have to do this for 5 to 8 minutes. That was so calming. And look at my skin. It's glowing already. Yeah, this is exactly what I needed. All right, the next step is to exfoliate, which is very important for oily skin. I'm going to go in with a chemical exfoliant. This helps unclog pores and smooth my skin without being too harsh. So I have the Cetaphil Healthy Radiance Gentle PHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Next up is clay mask. This is my favorite step. A clay mask to absorb excess oil and really detox my pores. And I actually have 2 because I like to be extra and multi-mask. So this one is anti-stress. They're both from Freeman. This is a Dead Sea Minerals clay mask and instantly clears pores and balances for renewed skin. And this one deep cleans and nourishes for fresh skin. This is the Purifying Avocado Oatmeal. This one I'm going to put in my T-zone, and then the avocado one I'm going to put everywhere else. This is my favorite part because this is where I really get to relax. So I'm going to leave this mask on for 10 minutes. I'm going to relax for a little bit. You can even hop in the shower. That'll even allow the steam even more to open up your pores and really allow the benefits of this mask to do what it needs to do. Let's get into these relaxation vibes. After rinsing, I use a toner to rebalance my skin and to minimize the look of pores. And I'm using my eco-friendly pads, and I'm using the Thayer's Facial Toner Rose Petal with Witch Hazel and Aloe Vera. And this is alcohol free, which is very important. All right, next step is serum. I'm using a lightweight serum. This hydrates my skin without being too oily. And one thing I've learned about my oily skin is that it can be acne prone. So I like using the Cetaphil Acne line. This is the Gentle Clear Post Acne Repair Serum. All right, it defends against the 5 signs of skin sensitivity: weakened skin barrier, dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness. And this reduces the appearance of post-acne marks and pores to visibly improve skin's texture and restore skin's natural glow. So I don't have any post-acne scarring, but because I have oily skin, I have larger pores, this helps with that. And also I'm going to use my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. And this is face oil. And I know, again, oily skin and oil, yes, this helps break down the sebum. And a little bit goes a long way. The last and final step is to moisturize. Even with oily skin, moisturizing is key, because if you don't moisturize your skin, it's going to feel dry and produce more sebum, more oil, and you'll be even more oily. It actually helps control oil in the long term. Who knew? And I'm using the Cetaphil Acne Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer, and it has 0.5% salicylic acid for acne treatment. And I sometimes even use this in the morning as a primer. Now, if you are doing this during the day, you better put on an SPF after this. Okay? But I'm doing this at night. My skin feels so refreshed. It also feels clean and balanced. This is probably going to be one of my favorite ways to reset. And I can't wait to see how my skin does after giving it the deep treatment and love and reset that it needed. If you're feeling overwhelmed or your skin isn't acting right, you just need a reset, a moment to yourself. This is your reminder to slow down and take care of you. take care of yourself, okay? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite self-care routine? And how are you celebrating yourself this Mother's Day if you're a mother, okay? Because I'm taking care of me, boo-boo. Because I can't be a full me, a full mother from an empty cup. Got to pour into myself. The skin reset got me feeling sexy, sexy. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to drop down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.